Okay, so this is my fencing attendance database. So I have a sort of a fencing club that we like to, and we're trying to, that I like to go to, and we're trying to get better attendance going on so that we can sort of keep track of who's there and what's the best way to contact them if we need to. So I'm making this right now. So far, let's start it up. So we've got a couple of different options. And before I show you that, I'm going to show you my database. So I'm using a cloud database for Firestore. Um, so we've got sort of our fencers right here, and you can see we've got our two sort of base cases right here. But we don't have me yet, so I'm going to sign in right now. Uh, oops. Ooh. 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 And so there we go. And because this is my first time signing in, it's just going to grab my email real quick. So I'm just going to put down my super awesome email right here. So now this is my first time signing in. So now I'll drag my database over here. And now you see that I'm right there. And if you look right there, it'll show my email and then how many times I've signed in. So if I go and sign in again, and then it doesn't ask for my email first off because it already remembers me from the last time. If I look again at my database, I now have been there twice because I've signed in twice. So now let's say that I'm at the admin and I want to look at all the people who have come to my class, and so I'm going to come in here and I've got a super secret and awesome password that I've set up in the database. Oops. And right there. Now I'm able to get into the database with that, and so I've got my fencer list right here, so if I click onto that, it will print out all the people that we've got in there. So we've got me, Statty McStabberson, and our default fencer. Beast on the court, that default fencer is. So then after that we can quit out of it, and that's the app. This is my first time working with databases, and I had a bit of a rough time because I usually like to do something that's a little bit more interactive. But this was a lot of fun. I'm hoping to, one of the big things I'm hoping to do is that I'll be able to keep track of the day, and you might have seen that in my admin's actions here. This doesn't do anything so far, but I'd like to keep track of the day that you sign in, so then when you can enter in a date and see who was there that day. I'd also like to port this from terminal to a web app, maybe using Django or something like that. I'm not positive on the language yet, but I would like to do that so that people can easily sign in and they don't have to sign in through a terminal, and it'll be sort of a little bit more user friendly. But yeah, thanks for watching.